I'm obsessed with new mini brands mini minis fill the fridge. Restocking in ultimate style. It lights up and comes with exclusive mini minis. Fill the fridge your way every time. Create your own Jell-O. I love Olipop and Ramune drinks. Over 60 minis to collect. Even a cute unicorn ice cream cake. I'm making some cool ice pops. So many adorable details. Even itty-bitty magnets. Fill the fridge over and over again. Mini brands mini minis fill the fridge from Zuru.